At Utah Valley University, we are here to quickly connect you with student housing options and resident resources that will help you make the right decisions for your housing needs.
Our goal is to assist you in becoming educated and trained in student housing so that you can navigate your housing needs like a pro. We're here to make your search simple and easy.
On the UVU housing website, you'll find 3 quick links at the top of the page that will help you with your search. 1. Housing map, 2. Housing booklet, and 3. Frequently asked questions.
The UVU Housing Office creates an annual student housing booklet and helpful brochures for graduate students and students with families. These booklets and brochures can be found on the UVU Housing website. Hi, we're a part of the Residential Community Leadership Program, or RCL program for short. The RCL program is a leadership and housing scholarship program that works with the off-campus student housing complexes to create a stronger connection with UVU.
Residential community leaders create engaging events and activities to promote student involvement in social, educational, service, leadership, and recreational opportunities to establish a true campus life experience.
RCL student leaders also act as a resource support system for their peers by promoting on-campus events to connect students back to campus, helping students to better understand campus life, and by connecting students to campus resources so that each student remains successful.
The RCL program is open to any student interested in leadership, creating lifelong friendships, and in supporting fellow UVU student success. Be sure to follow us on Instagram at UVU Housing to stay up to date on our events and to learn more about how you can join the program.
Spaces. Wherever you find yourself, that's space. It's yours, and it becomes whatever you want it to be. So how do you transform your space? Does an empty room burst with color? Does an unoccupied desk come alive with ideas? Does the sidewalk transform into a dance party or a stairwell into melodies? At Access, we provide the opportunity for you to create your own space. But not only you. We're home to 1,044 other driven and creative individuals. With state-of-the-art design, Access provides the ideal space for like-minded people to connect. Perfectly positioned for an easy commute into Salt Lake City, you'll stay connected to the world around you. Comfortable, convenient, clean. It's time to make this space uniquely yours. Welcome to Access, the perfect space for you.
So, you want to live at Carriage Cove, huh? Well, let me show you how it's done. Step 1. Wake up in your large, affordable, private bedroom. And, of course, get ready at your private vanity. Step 2. Make breakfast in your kitchen that has an absurd amount of covered space. I mean, look at that. Come on. Oh, and don't forget to say goodbye to your roommate in the separated living room. Step 3. Lucky for you, whether you go to BYU or UVU, a UTA bus or BYU shuttle will pick you up right from your front door. Step 4. When you get home, you got a few options. There's RCL events, volleyball, the hot tub, gym, or laundry room, all at your disposal. Living at Carriage Cove is that simple. For any questions, please feel free to drop by our office or contact us.
We have plenty of private rooms for you to choose from. We also have the most amenities in all of Orem. We are the closest to UVU campus, and we have free covered parking. This is a great place for you to meet new people and socialize. Did I mention that the green on Campus Drive has the best social life in all of Orem?
Doing laundry has never been easier when you have your own in-unit washer and dryer. You have plenty of storage closet there, pantry here, and a massive fridge for all of you. This is the large bedroom of one of our 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom floor plans. It comes with a bed, desk, dresser, and nightstand. If you follow me in this way, you'll get a glimpse of our massive bathroom that comes with granite countertops, an amazing shower, and a huge mirror. Why should you live at the Green? Because this is our happy place.
Find us on our website at uvu.edu/housing.
Or you can visit us in the housing office in SL 214.